When the Pixel 7a was launched this year, all the YouTubers and critics said that it has the same processor of the Pixel 7, but now it is coming out to be not true. Here, the popular leakster Camilla has found out that Tensor G2 that powers the Pixel 7 is an inferior version of G2 that fuels the 7 and 7 Pro. Although both versions are pretty much the same, Google went for a different packing technique for the Pixel 7a SoC. Packing is the last stage in the production of chips, and it involves placing a chips in a protective covering to protect it from external elements and help connect it with other parts of the phone. Google uses IP/OP tech for the Pixel 7a, while Samsung first used it in the 2018 Galaxy S9. For the Tensor G2, it used a most advanced technique called FOP-LP-POP. But like everything else, the packing is getting complicated. Chips using IP/OP are thicker and larger than the other one. It runs hotter. FOP-LP is a more complicated and expensive process. That's why Google went for the IP/OPs for the Pixel 7a. When the first Tensor chip used FOP-LP technology. So there is no much difference in the performance of the Pixel 7 and 7a, but it means Pixel 7a might get hot at times or slow down a bit. The Pixel 7a was launched at the price originally $100 cheaper than the Pixel 7, so maybe from maintaining good price, Pixel had to downgrade the chip a bit.